Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making this video a bit earlier because we have some very huge movements from Bitcoin, from Ethereum. We have some news about Cardano, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give you another low cap gem which is probably gonna couple X, let's say. I say 5 to X if the Alonso fork goes live and of course it works. Stay with me. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN if you want to get in contact with me. Discord or Twitter, everything is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash the like button if you like the content. You help me triggering the YouTube algorithm and I am truly grateful for that. So we are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, Bitcoin broke out from this falling wedge, and if this is not a fake out and it will keep moving, or at least it keeps this support line which was the resistance before, then I do think that the next price target is around 53,000. But before that we do have a resistance here at the 51-52. So let's see what will happen. Let's see if it can break through. In the meantime, Ethereum had another rally yesterday. I showed that it was at 3500, now it's at 3700, and I do think that if this continues and the news that in September everything is red in crypto, I mean Bitcoin, and Bitcoin pulls everything down, I do think that Ethereum will go over the all-time high, the 4300, and it goes into price discovery. So let's see whether Ethereum or Bitcoin will reach their all-time high first. I would bet Ethereum, but if Bitcoin really starts to charge, that might change a bit the game. Cardano, after coiling up in this 2.8 zone, Cardano is now at the $3, surpassing this all-time high, this very recent previous all-time high, and this is all thanks to Alonso hard fork. Since Cardano is already in price discovery, I wouldn't be surprised if it went up to the 3.5. However, when the Alonso fork comes, which is on the 12th of September, I do expect a bit of correction, because usually when things are implemented, there are bugs, there are unsatisfied clients or investors, and that pulls the price a bit down. But considering the enthusiasm of the community, I don't think that this will be a huge dump. Yesterday I bought Orion protocol, and the reason is that Orion is coiling up. Orion is in accumulation phase for 21 days, yes, since 11th of August, and I do think that this should be or would be the time for Orion to go over. So maybe after Bitcoin stops the price discovery or stops this rally and it doesn't crash, or probably will do another bigger move, because that didn't happen for almost a month, and I do think that it would be time for Orion to start to move. My other trade is Cardstarter. As you could see, Polkadot did move a bit, and I do expect Polkadot to make some bigger moves, maybe to attack the all-time highs, and if it does, then Cardstarter will charge even more. As you can see, it is also, let's say, coiling up, going upside, and that is very good. I do think that it only waits for Polkadot to make a huge move, and dot will pull Cardstarter as well. Now let's see two important news actually. One is that Charles Hoskinson, he's the founder of Cardano, he confirmed partnership with Confirm, and everybody is unhappy with that, because that would mean a regulation for Cardano, and apparently many people in the Cardano community want to go undercover. They don't want everything to be revealed to the government, and this is not really a road to take. This crypto, I do think, should be regulated. That's how it can stay. It shouldn't be something shady or in the gray zone where it can be used. I mean, the gray zone can be used as a tool to explain why crypto is not good, why crypto is used for illicit activities. Therefore, I don't think that this is a bad move from Cardano to be regulated. Now, the level of regulation, it's another question. Do we want it to become a bank, or we want to keep some of the freedom? I think that is the fine line they need to keep. Other than that, going legitimate, let's say, I think that's a good move, and it should be implemented for every crypto, because that's how we will revolutionize the banking system, the financial system. I don't really see any way around. Governments need to be included, regulations need to be implemented. The other news, which I don't have an article about right now, is that it seems that the infrastructure bill from the US, it's a bit shady, and it also includes that governments, and I mean by governments I mean the US with the European, for example, to share between them the activities of people, to share information about people between them. I guess this sounds familiar, for example, Facebook, Google, the privacy stuff, and yeah, I don't know how correct this is. I'm okay if my government has the information about me, but I don't think that the US should have information about what I am doing, because it's none of their business. Therefore, I do hope that the governments from other countries will stand against and don't share information about their citizens to the US, because why would they? On the other hand, I do think that yeah, they might do it for something else in return. Today, information is power, and yeah, they trade with it. So yeah, I wouldn't be so sure that other governments will stand by and don't share the information. I think they will. Well, it is what it is. We will see how this evolves. Last thing, the small gem, the small market cap coin, which I think has big potential, is Cardstarter, and obviously this is only valid if the Alonso fork works, if Cardano will charge, and everything will be released. So feel free to go on the website and feel around. Cardstarter is a launchpad on Cardano ecosystem, and right now it's at $28. As you can see, the all-time high was $78, and so now it's a good 70% down from the all-time high. It is followed by 26,000 people on CoinMarketCap and 40,000 people on Twitter. So this is pretty important. Of course, the Cardano community is pulling all the coins which are in the Cardano ecosystem. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you like the content, and press that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.